Can going to an online insurance company really save you 20% on your car insurance? Does this cigarette make me better looking? Ridiculous.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I go online to these websites and I crack up because it almost reminds me of this is the latest, hottest club. And you go up to the door and they slide the thing across, and instead of asking you the password, they ask if you've ever had a ticket or accident. If you say yes, they just slam the door closed on you. They don't want you. We deal with real people. Real people have kids. Kids get their license. We deal with real people that commute 20, 30 miles in winter weather. They're gonna slide into people. You're gonna have tickets and accidents. That's what you pay insurance for. The bigger companies, the direct writers, will never have, and that's a relationship. My father was phasing out and I was phasing in. I was probably in my early 30s, and I went into their manufacturer, and I introduced, we had never met, and now his, the younger generation was taking over, and I sat down at his desk. All of a sudden a picture on the wall caught my eye, and I said, who's that in the picture there? He goes, well, the guy sitting down is my grandfather. The guy standing up's my dad. He goes, I have no idea who the other guy is. This is a picture from like the 50s. I said, I do. It's my grandfather. So then we kind of looked at each other like, 3 generations. Our families have been doing business together, I've sat with business owners and they don't know how they're going to make payroll. This is, you can do a higher deductible. You can roll the dice on spoilage coverage. It's a great feeling for both of us. We don't even have to say anything. I walk into places and they just smile because that guy remembers 16 years ago and he didn't know how he was going to keep the lights on. And now we get over the hump and he's expanded and he's only in there 3 days a week and he's got a full staff doing everything. And I like to think that it's very comforting to them to know in a situation they can call, like, hey, what am I looking at here? And that's a relationship.